Okay, guys, we're discussing the different types of inflammation. So here we go. Emerging therapies targeting neuroinflammation present a new frontier in treatment of neurological and neurodegenerative diseases. Unlike conventional treatments that mainly address symptoms, these therapies focus on the underlying inflammatory mechanisms to potentially slow or halt disease progression. Gene therapy and editing. These cutting edge therapies use genetic tools to modulate the inflammatory response in the central nervous system. Engineered anti-inflammatory expression, delivering a gene that boosts the expression of anti-inflammatory modules can protect against neuroinflammation. For example, animal studies have shown that using viral vectors to increase interleukin or -2 IL-2 in astrocytes can promote anti-inflammatory T regulatory cells in the brain, offering a protective effect in modules of stroke and multiple sclerosis. Inflammatory module can protect against neuroinflammation. For example, animal studies have shown that using vectors to increase interleukins -2 IL-2 in astrocytes can promote anti-inflammatory T regulatory cells in the brain, offering a protective effect in models of stroke and multiple sclerosis. CRISPR based editing technologies like CRISPR Cas9 are being explored to edit genes associated with inflammatory pathways or specific neurodegenerative diseases. In Alzheimer's disease, AD, models CRISPR has been used to target genes involved in the production of beta amyloid or AB and modulate the activity of microglia to reduce inflammation. Delivery is key. Delivery is a key challenge and is being addressed with engineered viral vectors and neural particles designed to cross the blood-brain blood-brain barrier. Cell-based therapies. Stem cell therapy are being developed to leverage the immunomodulatory and regenerative properties of different cell types. MSCs delivered from bone marrow, fat, or umbilical cord tissue. These cells can secrete anti-inflammatory modules and modulate the immune response. In animal models of acquired brain injuries, the stroke and traumatic brain injury, TBI, MSC, have been shown to reduce neuroinflammation, lessen damage, and promote neural repair. Microglia reprogramming. Recent research has focused on re-engineering microglia, the brain's resident immune cells, to deliver precise targeted therapies. Using CRISPR technology, human microglia have been programmed to detect AD-related changes and secrete enzymes to break down AB plaques only in affected areas. This approach showed promise in reducing neuroinflammation and preserving neurons in mice models. Nanomedicine and drug delivery. Nanoparticle delivery systems are designed to overcome the challenge of the blood-brain barrier, allowing therapeutic agents to reach targeted areas in the brain, targeting specific cells. In April 2025, a study highlighted a method for delivering anti-inflammatory drugs across the blood-brain barrier using nanoparticles to target microglia in hypothalamus. This opens up new possibilities for treating various brain-related inflammatory conditions, improving therapeutic properties. Nanoparticles can enhance drug stability and solubility, providing controlled release, and carry multiple drugs for Combination therapies. This can improve efficiency and minimize systematic side effects. Novel anti-inflammatory drugs. New medications are under development to specifically target inflammatory pathways within the CNS. Inflammation inhibitors, drugs that inhibit the NLRP3 inflammasome, a multi-protein complex that divides and drives inflammation, are being investigated. Targeting glial cells, researchers are developing drugs that modulate the behavior of glial cells such as microglia and astrocytes, which play a central role in driving neuroinflammation. In AD, models new compounds that inhibit the soluble expodied hydrolysis SEH enzyme have been shown to increase anti-inflammatory compounds and preserve memory. Write that down. And regulate microgel activity, potentially treating mood disorders. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, and electrical stimulation, TES. These techniques have been reported to attenuate neuroinflammation, improve microglia function, and reduce pro-inflammatory factors, which may contribute to mood improvements in patients with anxiety and depression. Challenges and future outlook. Despite promising preclinical and early clinical results, several challenges remain. Blood-brain barrier, a major hurdle for drug delivery that nanomedicine and targeted delivery methods aim to address. In immunogenicity, gene and cell therapies can provoke an immune response that reduces efficacy or causes safety issue requiring careful management. Translation to humans. Many of these therapies are still in early stages of research and require extensive validation in clinical trials before they can widely be adopted. Ultimately, the future of treating neuroinflammation will likely involve personalized multi personalized multi-targeted approaches that combine these emerging therapies to address the specific inflammatory profile of each patient. Okay, guys, so that is C for you. I'll be back on later for shows. For now, Gator Wellness. Take care, folks.